that are coming in from West Bengal as the Nabana Chalo showdown that has only escalated. Let's, in the meantime, go across to Shreya, who continues to be with us right now. Shreya, the situation that has quickly developed right now, are we looking at the protesters once again making any attempt to continue with their protest?
Well, of course, we see that the protesters are here. They continue to protest. Now, this is the MG Road. On one side, look at the protester. They're trying to advance. And exactly on the opposite side, there is police. So there is going to be a confrontation. Police will chase them away after some time. This is the strategy that the police have taken to chase away the protesters, to control the mob. They are standing in numbers. And after the protesters advance, the police will chase them away. And you can see one of the protesters there is holding a shoe and is protesting. My VJ is trying to show you how one of the protesters is holding a shoe, and we have been just talking to the protesters. They are saying that we are doing a peaceful protest, but the police is not allowing us. We are being chased away. They're continuously using tear gas, which is not right. This is what the protesters are telling us. But we have also seen how the protesters were also pelting stones at the police. And look at the street. The traffic has not stopped yet. People are moving, and this is just in central Kolkata. We see that the traffic continues, vehicles continue to move, but look how this has changed into a battleground. We also see police is there, protester is there, and there is going to be a confrontation. Police have used water cannon and tear gas before this, and the protesters were also pelting stones at the police.
All right. The protesters also stone pelting as far as when it comes to incidents that have been reported like that, tear gas that has been lobbed. But in a way, if those protesters may again come back with their protest, well, that is a situation that will further only develop. But many of them that have been detained already by the police, where have they been taken now? Shreya, if any update with regards to multiple protesters who have been detained?
Well, of course, we see that multiple protesters have been dragged and detained by police, but we do not have any information from the police side as to where they are being taken. Now, as far as the police is concerned, they are continuously advancing and they are detaining the protesters, but they have not clarified as to where these protesters are being taken. And as far as the protesters are concerned, remember, although we see that less number of protesters are there at this point in time, because continuously they are being detained by the police.
All right. So the protesters and the police, we are looking at pictures that came in of clashes, pictures that also came in where there were certain talks that the police tried to hold with the protesters. Many of them right now, the pictures that you see are on a sit-in dharna, as they have now been pushed back. Others who have been detained, and they have been taken in different buses altogether. But Shreya, with those pictures coming in, are there any sit-in protest or dharnas also being organized?
আমার ফোন বাজছে না
Shreya, are there any sit-in protest or dharnas taking place?
We can see that protest is taking place. The protesters have gathered. They're trying to advance. This is the middle of the road in College Street. We also see that police is deployed on the other side of the road. But as far as dharna is concerned, there is no dharna in MG Road or College Street. But yes, we do see that protesters continue to come and they are trying to advance. And this is all happening in the middle of the city, College Street in MG Road.
All right. Keep getting us those updates and pictures as we are staying live with them. You're watching all of these developments unfold on Times Now as we are getting you the first-hand updates of these protests, the Nabana Chalo Abhiyan that is taking place in West Bengal's Kolkata.